Hey forest explorers, I'm back in the rainforest with some really slithery friends. So guys, what do bananas, berries, coconut, kumquats, dragon fruit, and this crazy thing that I don't even know what it is, what do they all have in common? I bet you can guess. Guys, they all came from the rainforest. Today I want to show you some of my favorite foods that come from the rainforest and show you how we can even connect this to math. First, I also want to show you some of my favorite rainforest animals. Guys, I know it's a little hard to kind of get as into it when I'm just sitting here on a screen. I wish so much that we could be in class together exploring all this, but I still want to tell you some of my favorite things about each of these biomes, so I hope that's okay. All right, guys, how about the toucan? I want us to think really quickly about some adaptations that rainforest animals have. The toucan is really brightly colored so that he can attract a mate. A girl. But why doesn't he fall over? This thing looks heavy. Don't you think he should go goom, right? Well, he doesn't. The reason is God didn't just give him a really colorful beak. He gave him a beak that is bright but also has tons of tiny air holes in it. So it's actually like a huge sponge and it's not heavy at all for him. Isn't that amazing? I'm going to be saying that a lot today. What else can I find you? Oh, wow. How about the Rafflesia plant? Guys, this is the world's largest flower, and it grows in Southeast Asia's rainforests. The Rafflesia is also called the corpse flower. Oh, a corpse is a dead body. Why is it called that? It's called that because it has a really gross adaptation. The Rafflesia flower gives off a rotten, dead smell. Why? Because he wants to eat flies and insects are actually attracted to that smell. That is one disgusting adaptation. Isn't that amazing? What's next on my tour? Ooh, you think I should tell him about it? Okay. My friend says that I should tell you about the jaguar next. This is the jaguar. Wow. These are the largest big cats in Central and South America. This guy is roaming out here in the Amazon rainforest where I'm hanging out. They are strong predators and they kill all kinds of animals, from small mice to large deer. Unlike most other big cats though, they are good swimmers. Who has a kitty? Do they like the water? Usually not. This cat does. They hunt prey such as turtles, water snakes, and caimans, which are a small kind of crocodile. Can you imagine a cat hunting a crocodile? That's amazing! What adaptation do you see here, guys? See that beautiful coat? He can blend right into the brown and kind of earthy look of the forest floor layer. Fun fact, the jaguar is such a powerful predator, it can kill with one bite. One bite and you're done. Next up is, this might be my favorite. This one is really cool, you guys. Who has heard of a harpy eagle? The harpy is one of the biggest eagles on Earth. Wow, did you know there were eagles in the rainforest? They fly just above the tops of the rainforest trees. So, what layer would that be? The emergent layer. They're watching. They're watching for movement in the canopy layer, okay? At any moment, this huge winged hunter might swoop down, grab its prey in its fiercely sharp talons. What are talons? Show me your talons. Those are its claws. And carry it back to its nest. Wow. A fun fact about the harpy eagle: it can fly away with prey as heavy as itself. Wow. That's an amazing adaptation, guys. One reason that this eagle is so strong is that when you're hunting above the rainforest, you don't get as many chances as an eagle who's flying over wide open areas. When this eagle sees something, he's got to be strong enough to get it with his first try. Wow. Here you can see his feathers are spread for slow flight. This bird is made to fly a lot slower than other eagles. Why would that be? Again, when he's flying over that emergent layer, there's so much green and it's so thick and dense, he could blink and he'll miss his chance. Slow flight helps him see more. I think I have time for a couple more. What do you think? This will be a favorite. Guys, this is the cacao tree. Whoa! Does that look like something you'd want to eat? Well, I can almost promise you that you do like what this plant gives. So much stuff comes from the rainforest that we eat, friends. Medicines as well. So many medicines and foods and things that keep us healthy come from the rainforest. Here's a really special thing. The fruits of the cacao tree are brown pods. They contain seeds. Ooh, EE vowel team, guys. Those seeds are called cacao beans. EA vowel team, guys. I could do this all day. These are really important because we use them to make chocolate. These trees are still found in the wild, in the rainforest, but a lot are now grown on farms too, in tropical areas. But I can find these right around me for real in the Amazon rainforest. There are around 20 to 40 beans in each pod. I wonder how many beans it takes to make, like one chocolate bar. I don't know. Never found that out. The last one I want to talk to you about today is this friend right here. Guys, this is the Burmese python. Few creatures can escape the death coils of the Burmese python. It wraps its long, glued sound, ong. It wraps its long body around its prey, slowly squeezing its coils tighter and tighter. Once the prey is dead, the snake begins to swallow it whole, even if it's as big as a wild pig or a goat. OA vowel team. There's so many vowel teams out there. Keep your eyes peeled. Rashid is always watching, and you should be too. Some of the adaptations of this incredible animal: strong body muscles so that it can squeeze that prey to death. How about patterned skin that matches the forest floor leaves? Wow. Fun fact for you guys: a python that eats a big meal may not be hungry again for 3 months. I can hardly get through 3 hours. What kind of animal is this? That's amazing. Guys, I have lots of cool rainforest books at my house. If you want to stop by and get some to read, just let me know. All right, so I started out showing you these really cool foods. Some of the foods from the rainforest are some of my favorite foods on earth. Pineapple, I could eat a whole one in 15 minutes. Coconut, That's Ellie's favorite. So these are some of our favorite foods. How can we connect thinking about this to math? That is a fun thing that we're going to do today. Earlier this year, guys, we talked about making graphs. I know the minute I hold this up, you're going to remember. So check out this graph that I have made for us to do today. It's called our favorite rainforest foods. What do you notice about this graph? There's a bunch of things happening here that all graphs have. First of all, did you notice it has a title? All graphs have a title to tell you what kind of numbers and things you're looking at. Then you'll notice that at the bottom, graphs have the words of the things you're going to be counting. Here we have bananas, lemons, avocado, nuts, pineapple, and coffee. All things from the rainforest. Then on this side, we have the number of them that as we ask people, we can fill in. That's right, guys. Today, I want you to have some fun. Ask everyone you can. Ask your parents. Ask your snake. Ask your siblings. Ask your neighbors. Call grandma. Call a friend. See if they can tell you what is their favorite rainforest food. Give them these choices. And every time you get an answer, you're going to color in a square to graph it. So, let me ask you. This will get us off to a good start. Which is your favorite? Banana, lemon, avocado, nuts, pineapple, or coffee? Well, I think I heard somebody say that their favorite was avocado. So I'm going to color that in right here. Good. And Ellie, what's your favorite? Oops. She said coconut. Oh, I don't have coconut on here. Can't pick coconut. Pineapple. All right. There are a couple I didn't put on here because, I didn't put chocolate on here because I knew probably everyone would vote for chocolate, right? So, I only asked 2 people. I bet you guys are going to be able to ask so many. Try to find or ask at least 10 people. So far, my graph looks like this. I colored in, a square for avocado, and I colored in a square for pineapple. How will I know which food wins? They're going to have the highest row of colored in squares, right? That's the really cool thing about graphs is you can see the numbers. You guys remember doing this earlier this year? We had a lot of fun graphing this. I think we even graphed what foods we wanted for a class party or something like that. Anyway, you have something exactly like this to put your graph on. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Send me what you find out, and we'll see which of these 6 foods wins for our whole class, okay? I think that's all for today, guys. I wish we could be together. The chicks are doing great, and I'm keeping my boa and my python far away from them because chicks would be a really tasty snack for them. And we want to keep them safe. All right, have a wonderful day. I'm thinking of you, and I can't wait to see you all soon. Bye, everybody.